Hello and welcome to Prism Prints, a channel dedicated to VR sculpting, 3D printing, and miniature painting. I'm Ben, and for this project, I'm making a Kraken. The legend of the Kraken seems to have started as a myth among sailors. There are possible descriptions of the Kraken as early as the 1500s. However, the idea of it being a huge octopus took hold in the 1700s thanks to a man named Eric Pontoppidan. I wanted to stick with that idea and have a giant octopus bursting out of the water attacking. For the base, I added swirls of water for extra support and printed in clear blue resin for the full effect. Also, I want to thank West Sage for modeling a Viking ship for my Kraken to be attacking. You can support his channel by clicking this card here or the link in the description. I'm really happy with how this project turned out, and I hope you like it too. If you like printing models for yourself, this STL is free with the links in the pinned comment below. I really appreciate you checking this out. Please leave a like and subscribe if you enjoy this type of content, and I'll catch you on the next one.